Stock option trading. One call option jumped over 53% in 4 days. Why? Could it continue? After watching this video, you're gonna understand why call option could be better than stocks. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader. S&P 500 up 1.5% over the past 5 days is considered pretty good because usually S&P 500 7% to 10% up for one whole year. So if you look at Nasdaq, 2.26%, good. Dow Jones 1.69% over the past 5 days. If you just invest in S&P 500 index fund or ETF, hey, over the past 5 years, your money could be almost double. So it's about 70% return every year. If you put money in real estate, it would just be about 7% to 10%. Consider very, very good. But for a stock index fund, 70% is much better than real estate. But compared to S&P 500, over the past 5 days, it's only up 1.58%. If you know how to pick stocks, this stock is up 12.25% over the past 5 days, right? If you know how to trade stocks or invest in stock, hey, you're gonna be beating investor who just invest in index fund, like ETF, whatever. But most investors, they don't even beat S&P 500 because they invest in crappy companies and they follow forums and they do day trading without learning how to trade stocks, momentum stock, how to day trade. So it's very important to learn. Which is better than stock? It's trading call options. Look at this. This stock only up 12.25% over the past 5 days. But if you know how to trade call option for this stock, look at this. Over the past 4 days, it's up 53.64%. Today high 85.58. So you multiply 85.58 with $100. Hey, 8,558 into your pocket. So on August 21st, 4 days ago, it's only 55.7. So you just need to have 5,570, and you just buy this call option. Strike price 450, and expiration date January 16, 2026. Hey, just within 4 days, it's up 53.64%. So every $1,000 that you put in this call option, we are literally making $500, right? 1,500, 500 is gonna 530 will be profit, right? Within 4 days. Within 4 days, that's pretty good. It's really great. So when you make this profit, you just use that profit, take profit, put it in a stock and a value stock you want to buy, or you can use that money to buy another call option. Just be patient. If you don't find any good trades, you don't have to trade. If you find great trades, it's okay to trade 2 or 3 trades a day, right? If you find them. But some people say, hey, how much capital do I need to trade? I don't have so much capital. It really depends. The beginners, they usually ask how much capital they can use to get how much, right? How much return could I get based on $100 or $10? What they should be asking, if you are a beginner, hey, what education should I learn? What knowledge should I learn? Should I keep to be able to get profit like 53.64% within 4 days? Right? Capital doesn't matter. Even if you have $100,000, $1 million, if you don't know how to trade properly, you could be losing hundreds of thousands of dollars. So many people have already lost. You won't be the first one, and you won't be the last one, right? Smart people learn from their own mistake. Wise people learn from other people's mistakes. So it's really important to learn. If you want to learn more, subscribe this channel. Okay, so this call options they have is time, right? So many months. So you could use this call option. You just write it down, keep it in your watch list whenever 450 call. Could it go up more? Yes, possible, but it may pull back a little bit. Very normal. If it happens, and once it pull back to probably say below 450 strike price, hey, you may probably get back and get. You know what? If it goes back to 460 plus 70, 480 plus, this call option could be making much more than 52.64%, right? So it's very important. So, or if you think that this stock has momentum, it could keep going up, right? So because year to date, 35.45, but 5 years is totally beat S&P 500. 7 times, more than 7 times, almost 8 times fight over the past 5 years, right? So over the past 1 year, yeah, almost more than 5 times. Look at this. So 1 year is on 35.4.5%. It is uptrend. This could keep going up. Just wait a little bit of pullback, very normal. Right now it's September, October. The stock market could be a little bit quiet. Just wait for the pullback. Once it pull back to say below 450, and you can go back. This near term support level could be 410, right? This is another support 417. So around 410 and 415 could be the support level. Then hey, you could do trading, or you could just buy this stock if you want. Of course, this is not financial advice, right? So this is just I'm thinking out loud for you. You can learn more about it. So for just somebody who doesn't want to bother picking stock, right? He wants to stay rich. Putting the money in S&P 500 ETF like VOO or SPY, or you know, that could be good option. VOO ETF, see, VOO, yeah, is similar to S&P 500 came 84.52%. Look at this. So S&P 500, yeah, over the past 5 years, 84.76, very similar, very similar. Look at this. VO, you could just buy VO, you know, right? Not a financial advice. Okay, if I'm just a beginner, I don't have any knowledge about stock picking or option trading, I would just buy VO, or I could just buy SPY too. VOO, and another one would be SPY ETF. Look at the SPY. Yeah, SPY would be $600 plus, VOO 594. Over the past 5 years, 84.45% SPY. Look at this. So this one 84.52, a little bit better. VO is better, but SPY has a daily option trading. VO has a weekly option, so that will be different, right? Yeah, you can do some more research about it. Hey, you know what? Personally, I would definitely learn how to invest in stock and learn more about call option, more about put options and advanced option, right? If you want to learn more, very simple, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go subscribe to the channel, check out my playlist, and you can open an account using the link in the YouTube description comment down below. And if you want to reach out to me and want to have a mentorship call, or if you want to know what I buy, what I profit from, you can join the link in the YouTube video description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.